Today we're going to take a look at a course demo and to give you a very good overview about all our courses and how they run. You're going to sign into the course, log in, and when you log in, the first place you'll be taken to is the dashboard, and for most users it'll be the Enrolled tab, which will default. Shows you all the courses you are enrolled in. So you select the course you want to take a look at and start studying, and you'd click Start. In this case, Instruments and Navigation Aids. When you open the course, you're presented with your main lesson page. Includes all the modules or chapters, if you like, in the course. On the left-hand side of the page are a whole bunch of menus we're going to walk through in a minute. And on the right-hand side, a whole bunch of extra information which we'll also walk you through. Let's take a look at the modules there. If you click that, you're going to come back to this page, this main page. The next tab is the Assessments tabs. These are all the pending assessments in this course, alongside the score you have received for those. And this particular user hasn't started any. The next tab is Resources. These are important resources which you'll be referred to throughout your course. Perhaps one of the most important is the workbook, which accompanies every one of our courses. You can download that in PDF. The Games tab, exciting new feature that we're rolling out during 2019, where you can accrue points, and we'll talk a little bit about that a bit later in the year. The Mastery tab, another exciting feature we're progressively rolling out. You'll notice at the bottom of this page are the syllabus items from the New Zealand Civil Aviation Advisory Circular for this course. We write our course content specifically for the advisory circulars. In fact, we exceed the requirements of the published syllabus. But eventually this will show you exactly how you are matching up with your knowledge and progress against these advisory circulars. Some courses have this rolled out already. Learner FAQs down the left hand side there, and you will be able to see some of the folk who are online. You can send us a message or chat to either us or other students if you wish. Okay, clicking back to the modules page or the main lesson page, and on the right hand side of the page you've got Progress and Mastery. Now the Mastery is what we just spoke about before, and that will give you a sense about your understanding of the topic. The Progress shows your total progress within the course. The Assessments due any announcements we may have given. And you can see here, this is where you can track your progress against other students and see how well you're doing. Also, your enrollment date is shown there. All the way through to the sample exams 1 and 2, and the last module in most courses now is the review module. Once you complete that, if you've completed everything else and passed, you'll receive a certificate of completion. Let's take a look inside module 1 here. It has 14 sections in it. Click Start. And this is what our courses look like. Okay, so this particular page in the course or section is the Mac meter. Shows your progress on the left hand side, the module name at the top. You'll read through the content. Down the left hand side of the page you can see the sections or pages within this particular module, and you'll see a lot further down which are locked. You can't access those until you have completed module 1, module 2, etc. So the menu system down the left hand side of the page is a new feature that we've rolled out. To go to the next page, you click Continue at the top right. And the next page, the simple Mac meter shows up, and you can see the Mac meter page has a tick next to it because you've viewed it. You can remove the left hand menu by clicking the arrow to get a full screen view of that page. You can see at the top of the page your overall progress in the course is now 1%. Clicking Continue again takes you to the next page. The Air Data Computer on this page. If you want to see that left hand menu, which is very helpful, you just click the little arrow and it will pop back out for you. You can go Previous Page, if you want to review pages you've seen before. Now, trying to click a page that is still locked will give you a notification that the modules must first be completed in order. Now, you can't open a locked module until you've completed the prior modules. And to complete them, that does include attempting any quiz questions and passing those associated quizzes. You want to make sure you know the content before you move on. Sample exams 1 and 2 can be taken once you've completed all the other modules. You get 1 attempt at the sample exams each, and up to 3 attempts in normal quizzes throughout the various modules. Up on the right hand side, you've got the messages and the notifications area. That's the calendar, which we will be using at a later date. That's your name, and on the right hand side is the help menu, and we've made a video on accessing the Learner Help Desk, which is through that menu. So that's an overview of the courses, and we hope you found that useful.